Hi, I'm Aaron L. Hearn, and this is a software proposal for Reason Remote, an iPad controller for Propellerhead's Reason. With the proliferation of the tablet computer, especially the iPad, and an already expanding market, touchscreen interfaces could be the next step in the evolution of sequencing and control. The purpose of this software is to act as an external controller for Reason, similar to a MIDI controller, but maintaining the Reason graphical user interface. This way, if a person wanted to use a Kong drum pad in their Reason session, they could actually play the Kong. The concept could easily be adapted for other tablets, as well as extended to other Propellerhead products, such as Record. Supporting the rationale behind this software is Bloom's taxonomy of cognitive learning, predicated on the mastery of skills and the cross-application of acquired knowledge. This means that a tool like this would both utilize and expand a person's mastery of the skills associated with using Reason. For instance, a person who learns to work with audio in a software environment first could use Reason and reasonably apply the idea of the rack and wiring to the hardware environment. This gives the person a sense of how signal flow works. Additionally, for a software controller, it would be important to understand computer concepts that go beyond just the Reason environment. This means that a person will be building on their knowledge and creatively applying their mastery of learning. The primary audience for this device will be people who use Reason to create music. Whether this is the high school teen or an aged DJ, the audience for this software will have at least some concept and familiarity of digital audio, although this software is geared towards those familiar with the Propellerhead products. The structure of the software is designed around two of Propellerhead's existing tools: Remote, which syncs hardware with Propellerhead products, and Rewire, which is a software protocol that connects one software program to another. The graphical user interface will maintain the Propellerhead, that is, the Reason, look and feel. The software is designed around a simple concept. When the user starts the software, the Reason rack is the home page. When Record Enable is off, the user can use 3 fingers to swipe from side to side to switch between Performance View, Arrange View, MIDI Edit View, and Sample View. This way, the user has control over all screens in Reason. But once Record Enable is on, the screen locks in Performance View so the user can sample or sequence. As I've stated before, the software is designed to emulate Reason so that you have a controller that looks like the software you're controlling. Here is a mock-up of what Kong control would look like. Here's Redrum control. You'll notice the edit window beneath Redrum. I've designed this so that, in keeping with the Reason structure, there are drop-down parameters so that you can edit and sequence in separate windows and close them for needed space. I kept this concept consistent with the Octorex. The drop-down concept is also important for things like the NNXT, where there are parameters that you may not need to see while performing. This is NNXT in compact mode. This is NNXT in the expanded mode. Here's Thor in compact mode. And here's Thor expanded. Here's the Maelstrom control, which can also be compacted. And here's Subtractor. Here's the concept of the mixer with some aux return devices. Here's the Arrange view, the MIDI Edit view, and the Sample Edit view. Key features include the wireless capability, the fact that the graphical user interface is the same as the software you're controlling with the touch interface. The software also utilizes Apple's mouse technology, so mouse navigation and screen navigation is familiar. The performance mode locking screen is also a key feature which keeps you from swiping away from your performance. There's also a compactable transport and regroove mixer. And there are also docking capabilities with new hardware like the IUPUI synth stations and also the Alesis I/O dock. Because this software is designed around existing technologies, the timetable is malleable. For design and layout, I project 80 hours, for programming, 500 hours, and for beta testing, 160 hours, but again, this could be changed very easily. Once again, I am Aaron L. Hearn. This has been my presentation for Reason Remote, a software program for turning an iPad into a Reason control surface. Thank you very much.